Welcome, entrepreneurs. Today we are exploring Nurture2Profit, your all-in-one solution to CRMs, marketing automation, funnels, websites, you name it, it does it. Now, today specifically, we're getting into website building, and the title of this video is to build a website in 10 minutes or less, and I'm about to show you how absolutely incredibly easy building a website is, especially with Nurture2Profit. Now, a lot of you may know that Nurture2Profit is a white labeled version of Go High Level. So if you are using Go High Level, it's the exact same thing. Mine looks a little bit different. So let's get into it. All right, and we are in Nurture2Profit, and we are going to be navigating down to the Sites tab. Inside this Sites tab, there are a number of things that eventually I'll be making videos on, but right now we're gonna focus on the Website tab. And you can see right now that inside of here, we have a number of websites already. What we're going to do though is we're going to hit this nice big blue button called New Website. And what is incredibly easy, and why I would love to show the entire world on how easy it is to build a website, is this button right here called From Templates. So we're gonna select From Templates, we're gonna hit Continue. And what it's gonna allow us to do is it's gonna allow us to pick from a series of templates. Now, I don't know how many templates there are, but I believe there's 1,000 plus between funnels and websites, etc. All right, and so like maybe you're in marketing, maybe you're in lead capturing, depending on what you want to do. Obviously, there are a number of niches you can pick inside of here, one being business, coaching, and consulting, so I'm gonna start here. Now, taking a quick look, we want to offer probably a consulting. So I'm just gonna career coach, career advising, let's do something like financial consulting. Let's do this one. All right, now obviously this doesn't really look like a website right now, but what we're gonna do is we're just gonna hit continue. This is gonna be the easy part. This is gonna be what everyone's missing link is to building websites. So it auto redirects me to the funnel and website builder. They both are the exact same UI. Now inside of here, you're gonna see that the website is loaded, and this is just a template. Again, we're obviously inside of here, it's got just Jane Doe and John Doe and all this kind of stuff, and this is where you're going to be able to just come in and simply edit this. So let's start with the absolute basics. The absolute basics would be these text fields, right? And I guess they're called elements. So if we hit the plus, add elements up here, there is a myriad of elements up here that you can go ahead and pick, right? There is headlines, subheadlines, paragraphs, bullet lists, you name it, it's here. So any kind of element that you'd want on your website is up here. Now, the templates come with those elements already, right? So this one here, logo, this is already an element added to the website. So what you can do is you can actually come into your logo here, and this is actually a navigational menu. So if we come back to here, you're going to be able to see, let's take a look, navigational menu. So like you would simply just click and drag it over, right? And then that's how they added it. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna come in here, and you can see that it's got a number of menu items where you can click and have your consumers click, and it would redirect to a different page. Maybe it would redirect down to a different element, whatever it might be. So this is, again, very, very, very straightforward to do. What we're gonna do though is we're going to edit the logo. So we got to come down all the way down here to the bottom, image options. We're gonna hit this little picture button. And inside of here, we're going to just pick a random logo. So let's pick High Level, because this is obviously a white labeled version of High Level. And then there we go. So that was that easy to change the logo. Obviously, we would probably pick something with a little bit more white and to make it look a little bit better. So you can then change the size down here with pixel width. They had it already at 200, so we'll leave it there. Now, inside of the menu items, the next columns over, we have Home. So home is going to click you to a page, it says, go home, right? So now that's what we're going to set it up to do. So we're going to hit submit. About. So if we hit about, right, we can go to a page, and then we can actually hit about. Now what they had is they had a go to a section, right? And so this is a little bit more advanced, but at the same time, if we come down to about, there's our services, testimonials, our team, and FAQs and free consultations, all this kind of stuff. So what we're doing is we're just taking them down to advanced into a section, kind of like this. So we're just copying this, and then when you get to the top, you're going to be able to obviously just paste that in here, and it's going to bring you down to that section. I hope that makes sense. Now, this button here is going to schedule an appointment. Now, with this, it's gonna obviously want to take you, it says take you to another page. So what's really nice about this is like instead of having to back out or go to different screens, you can actually come up to the top here and you can see contact us, calendar, all of this kind of stuff, right? So obviously the calendar is where we want them to schedule an appointment. So what we're gonna do is, again, we're gonna come down to here, we're gonna go to page, and we're gonna select the calendar page, okay? So once we've selected the calendar page, we can hit save. And once that's done, we can hit preview. And so we can just test this out. We can go about, brings us down here. Okay, we hit schedule an appointment. It's actually going to take us to booking now. So it took us to a different page, but it looks exactly the same, right? So this is completely, so it's unable to find a calendar. Now the cool thing about Go High Level, Nurture to Profit, all this, is that you can actually build your own calendar booking inside of here as well. So instead of just doing website and that's it, now you can also book appointments and you can add forms and all that as well. So inside of here, you do not, it says you do not have any calendars yet, but if you did, which I do, here's my booking link. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add that calendar here. There we go. Now, there's another video on how to set up a calendar, but right now we're just literally just gonna be doing the website. We're gonna hit save. Perfect. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go home. Hit back actually, because I don't know if we actually set that up. And then what we're going to do is we're going to refresh. Okay, and we're going to hit schedule an appointment. So now we have the calendar right here so people can book, right? Very simple. Now, I'm just going to go in order on this. So we're going to go back to the home page. Okay, so now that we're back, we can take a look at some of the other elements. The other elements on here are the text. So in here, we can actually change this to expertise, ... We can change your to maybe remove it entirely. Again, it doesn't really matter, but what we obviously want to do is we want to come in here and edit this to sound like you, whatever it might be. So again, these are just placeholders. You can come in and edit this title, come in and edit this, this text here. And again, you don't even have to offer these tabs here. If you just want to do a single page that leads to a booking appointment, you would simply just come into home or come up into the tab here, about, and you can hit delete. And then you can go in services, for example, right? And then it's going to just bring you to a section, but we can still delete, right? And so you don't actually have to have all of this up there if you don't want to when you're first starting off, right? Again, I do weekly coaching, so if you are ever stuck, you can always just join my call and you can get some help. So that's how to edit the navigational, how to edit a button, and how to get it to take you to a different page, how to edit headline, maybe some subtext. We already went over buttons. So we went over pictures as in the logo, but again, this is another one where we can just simply come to the right-hand side, upload media library, and we can put a picture of basically anything we want. So inside of here, we could just put, here we go. So again, we can change it to whatever pictures you have or whatever you want, but again, pretty simple. So this is also some text here that you can edit your company name, and you can keep the text the same if you want to, but again, obviously you're going to change it. Coming down to our services, now this read more button would potentially lead people to a blog. Right now, we're not going to get into blog, we're just getting into websites. However, you could redirect them to a different blog if you want to. But for convenience sake, today, we're just going to remove all of this. So it's not going to take us off the page. We're not going to have a free consultation. We'll have a schedule an appointment, but get a free consultation. We can do the same thing with the other button, is we can actually go to page, have them go to the calendar, and we can hit save. Okay, so I'm going to also remove these because it's I would like it to look the way we want it to look here. And let's delete that too. Perfect. Okay, so we're going to, cancel. Now let's scroll down and see if there's anything else that we can edit. Get a free consultation. Let's just map that button again to go to page. And we're going to go to website page, calendar. There we go. Now, inside of the FAQs, this is another element, right? Inside of the FAQ, you can click on these and you'll be able to come in here and edit. So for example, like what services does, financial education offer? How do I get started with company name? What makes company name different from other financial consultancies. So if you want to have an FAQ, you can simply just click on these different list items and you can come in and edit them right here. Our team, again, same sort of elements. We got a picture, we got a name, all of that. Now the other cool thing here, this is going to pull in, these are custom fields, okay? So this custom field here is going to be pulling in from your account settings. So in your account settings, when you sign up for Nurture to Profit, it's going to pull in your location email from there. Now, if your location email ever changes, it'll automatically change on your website as well, which is kind of nice, so you don't have to go into every single page and start changing it. Using custom fields is a really big shortcut. Now, map options. Now, obviously, this is where you're going to come in and you're going to search. So if I'm from British Columbia, so I go into Prince George, BC, Canada. There we go. Hit yes and save. And there we are. I just changed it to. Now you would obviously put your physical address here, or you could delete it. Okay, come down here to logo. We already went over how to change a logo. Your social icons. So you can, if you have Facebook, you have Instagram, you have all that, you can come in here and you can change these quite easily. This is actually just a button, which is kind of nice. So you can actually just have it go to a website URL, and then you would just come in here and put your Facebook URL right here, .com, right? And then I always have these open up in a new tab. So when someone clicks it, it opens up into a new tab. It doesn't actually just take them to there, and then now they don't have your website open anymore. So I like to take them, I like to open up in a new tab. So I'm gonna hit save. Perfect. So again, this is a very quick tutorial on how this website builder works. You can see from the template that it saves a massive amount of time than starting it from scratch. And you already have a lot of the design elements. Again, if you like the way that it looks, you can simply come in here and you can change these colors to your brand, anything that you want. You can change these background images to anything that you want. We even have the ability to create images from AI. So again, you can come in here, it says create images using AI. And so now I can type in some sort of description of a picture and have it generate. Now, obviously there's a fee to this because nothing AI right now is overly free, but it's going to be using your prompt in here to build and discover some sort of an image for you. And there we go. Now, just to show you how much time you actually save, I believe I'm at my 10-minute mark, so I'm going to go back. Now let's just hypothetically go in and create one from black. I'm just going to call this testing 1, 2, 3. Hit create. Okay, there we are. So here's our website. We're going to actually add a page, and we're going to call this the home page. The path is just your URL, so /home. Oops, spelled that wrong. Oops. There we are. And we're going to hit create. There we go. So right now it says create use existing. So if you had another page on here and you wanted to create it from that page, you could do that. But right now we're going to hit create from blank. Okay, and now we have literally a blank canvas. So you can see right now, like this is starting from scratch, not using a template. So this would take a little bit longer, but again, pretty easy. I'm going to do a full width. That's a section, right? So everything's broken down to a section. Now it's a row. If you want different columns, right? So we're just going to do maybe a 2 column. And then in here, we're going to add an element. We went over all of those. So right here, maybe what we want to do is we want to add a image. And then over here, we want to add a button. Okay. So like I said, these will come with the default settings, right? So it's a big green button. The other one has a formatted button. So in here, you can come in and you can change the color to something you'd like. You can add some strong shadow to like add some pop to it. You can come into advanced right now and you can, let's go to border and we can do a full border and we can actually make the border just white. And what we could do is instead of having the border radius like that, we could have it as 5. And now what it did is if you look, the corners are actually rounded now. Let me just do an example. There's even more round. So again, a lot of things that you can change and customize yourself. This image again, same sort of scenario as last time. We just create grab a picture. Here we go. There's a picture. Now you can actually do something else. You can put a headline here if you want. Rather, you can just say, you know, maybe this is you know, Michael's automation. I don't know. I'm making this up. I'm freestyling. Okay, boom, there we go. So now what we would do is we would just hover over this new section if we want to create a new one, grab another full length. Now we want to come down to maybe one column, and then inside of here we would like to grab another image, and then there we go. So quite a bit of features, quite a bit of elements, and a lot of to learn outside of what I've just showed. However, your learning curve on this is a lot easier. Like there's a lot of things out there like WordPress and things like that where there's quite a bit higher of a learning curve. There are some things with WordPress like Elementor and all that. However, once you get into Nurture2Profit, you click sites, you're immediately hosting, and you don't have to worry about going to GoDaddy or anything like that in terms of like hosting. You don't have to worry about name servers. You don't have to worry about any of that. This is already handled with you. And then the really nice thing too is that it's all under one roof. So now, like I explained before, is when we were first talking about the navigation in terms of where to go to get to websites. In here we have chat widgets, we have forms, we have surveys. Now you're not really worried about getting plugins or something like that for your website. You're not worried about going and getting Calendly to bring in. You're not worried about going and getting a different chat widget to bring in. So it's all in one place right here, ready to go. Well, that's a wrap today for our journey through Nurture2Profit's website customization. I hope you realize the endless possibilities of what you can accomplish inside of that builder. Again, it was a very quick tutorial, but it shows you how easy it is to use this builder and to just customize it to however you want. Again, you can start with one page. You don't have to go too far. And you can just start at the basics. You don't have to get so complicated that you don't know how to edit it, you don't know how to do anything for yourself. Which leads me into my next comment, is we do offer weekly coaching with Nurture2Profit. Just being a customer gets you access to this coaching. There's no additional costs. So if you do want a website builder, you do want weekly coaching, you want the support, feel free to sign up. If not, I'll be coming out with more videos, so feel free to watch those and just give me feedback in the comments below. If you're interested in signing up for Nurture2Profit, please hit the link down in the description. If not, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.